All righty. The first COVID-19 shots for babies, toddlers, and preschoolers are one step away from full approval here in the U.S. On Wednesday, a panel of FDA advisors voted unanimously in favor of vaccines from Moderna and Pfizer for the youngest age group. If all regulatory steps are cleared, shots should be available next week. Joining me right now, Dr. Kimberly Giuliano, Chair of Primary Care Pediatrics at the Cleveland Clinic Children's Hospital. Thanks for being with us. I have to ask this question. The FDA is looking to approve this under an emergency use authorization. But in this country, when we're looking at where we are in the stage of the pandemic, are we still under emergency conditions?
We are. We still see waves of COVID infections hitting our population, and it is disproportionately hitting this population of children under the age of 5 who have not had the opportunity to reach vaccine access just yet. So yeah, we still are in a state of emergency, not quite the same degree that we were earlier, but it's still providing significant challenges for children and their families.
Well, and I know that the FDA has, of course, cleared for older age groups the vaccine, that it's safe and it's effective at preventing COVID-19 infection. But I would have to check the numbers. There might be more people with the flu right now in their household than COVID-19. And I think some parents fairly ask, what is the point of getting a child this young inoculated when around 88,000 children nationwide have COVID? The symptoms are very light. The pandemic has eased. What would you tell those parents?
Yeah. So, there was a pocket of time in the spring where influenza was more common than COVID. That has shifted, and we are back to a little bit of an uptick in the COVID numbers, not nearly to what we had seen before, but it's definitely still out there. And what we saw with the COVID waves in December, as well as here this spring, is more children being impacted in a greater proportion because they did not have the opportunities to either have the vaccine or a booster dose for the 5 to 11-year-olds that was just more recently authorized. And while most children, fortunately, have mild cases of COVID and do very well, there are children in this age cohort that are hospitalized. We've had 442 children in this age cohort die from COVID since the start of the pandemic. So I often will tell people low risk doesn't mean no risk. And what we really want to prevent for these children is those severe complications of the disease that could cause lifelong complications and potentially even death for these children.
I know my producers are saying that we are out of time, but the Moderna vaccine is a 2-dose shot. Pfizer is a 3-dose shot. Do you know why there's a difference in dosage?
So Pfizer started doing their study with a 2-dose shot and noted that children needed that 3rd dose to get an adequate immune response. The Moderna data shows that 2 doses did provide an adequate response. They're actually pursuing additional trials now too, looking at the potential for a 3rd dose down the pikes here for them as well. So time will tell if that one remains 2 doses or becomes a 3-dose vaccine itself.
Dr. Giuliano, thank you so much for answering all of our questions. We appreciate your time. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.